After introducing the wildcard syntax command and talking about its shortcomings, too many unwanted results, we will now show you how this problem can be solved using another syntax command. The syntax command we are introducing in this video is called underscore, also called the restricted wildcard. The definition of underscore is search for any word. The basic usage of the underscore command is similar to that of the wildcard command. They are both commands that search for words without restricting their part of speech, and they also need to be separated from other words by inserting spaces before or after the commands. However, the difference is that a wildcard can be used to search for up to 5 words, but the underscore command only allows a one-word search. For example, if you want to know the adjectives that can be used to modify a breakfast, but don't want to also define the part of speech, which means that you don't want to type in adjective, and you don't want to use a wildcard because it would retrieve too many words, you can use the underscore command and it will retrieve results that have just one word. If you type in the pattern underscore breakfast, you'll see some common combinations like a continental breakfast, a hearty breakfast, and a buffet breakfast, as shown on the screen. Of course, if you're interested in language learning, you can also input 2 underscores and see what you'll find. Always remember to separate the 2 underscores with a space, which will result in the following combinations: a free continental breakfast, a full English breakfast, a deluxe continental breakfast, a complimentary hot breakfast. Unlike Taiwan, where hot breakfast is served, some European hotels serve a cold breakfast with only simple bread, salad, milk, etc. That's why hot is emphasized. Another good use of the underscore is when you know that there should be a word in a phrase but are not sure about its part of speech. For example, to express a sudden and strong wind, you know that the phrase should be of wind. The only certain thing is that the blank stands for a single word, but you don't know its part of speech. So instead of using the wildcard, you can use an underscore in the pattern underscore of wind. Looking at the results, you will see that the first one is a gust of wind, and that is exactly what you're looking for. It also accounts for 28% of all occurrences. You'll also see several other common usages, such as a breath of wind, which means a weak and gentle wind, and a gale of wind, a strong wind. Some other results are also shown on the screen. That's all for this episode. See you in the next video.